Hello and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to incorporate a USB charger port into a wooden framed bed or sofa. The tools you will need for this are a long flathead screwdriver, a hammer, a Phillips head screwdriver and a miniature hacksaw. I've already made one on this side, so I shall use the opposite side to show you how to do it. First, you want to start off by unplugging your current one, like I just did there, if you have one already. And you want to take the base plate off the top of the bed, like so, using a Phillips head screwdriver. Now that you've got the base plate off, you can begin sawing. So now what you want to do, you want to get a flathead screwdriver and hammer and chisel away the channel. Make sure that you measure the USB cable up against the channel as you go, like this. As you can see, the channel is just wide enough for it to snugly fit in. As you can see here, mine still needs a little bit chiselled off. When done, you should get something similar to this. There you have it. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Now to put the base plate back on. And there you have it, your concealed USB charger. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for another video. Like, comment and subscribe. Have a good day.